Mortgage fraud was quintupled since 2000.
In a world of constant financial ebbs and flows, there are few voices that command as much attention as Michael Burry. The visionary who foresaw the 2008 housing market catastrophe is back with another chilling prediction. Today, we're delving into Burry's latest warning, a forecast that paints a grim picture for the USA's financial future. A staggering $1.6 billion bet, a potential Wall Street crash, and the unsettling signs that suggest we might be on the precipice of an economic downturn unlike any other. Keep watching until the end of the video to see why what is coming is worse than a recession. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. In a world of fleeting financial certainties, Michael Burry stands out. The genius behind the 2008 housing market prediction is back, and his message is unsettling. Today, we unpack Burry's alarming $1.6 billion bet against Wall Street. As markets soar, he sees a shadow looming large. Stay with us to discover why the impending USA collapse might be more catastrophic than anyone anticipates. This revelation is not just a forecast, it's a dire warning. Michael Burry isn't your typical Wall Street investor. With a keen eye for patterns others often miss, he's been aptly dubbed the prophet of doom. His uncanny ability to predict financial tsunamis, like the 2008 housing market crash, has made him a legend in financial circles. While many were blindsided by the subprime mortgage crisis, Burry saw it coming from miles away, turning his foresight into a fortune. His story, immortalized in The Big Short, showcased his relentless pursuit of truth amidst a sea of denial. Now this financial seer is back with another ominous prediction. With a staggering bet against the very pillars of Wall Street, he's signaling a storm on the horizon. As history has shown, when Burry speaks of doom, it's wise to listen. What has he seen now that most are missing? The answer might be unsettling. In the unpredictable world of finance, even the sharpest minds can sometimes send mixed signals. Michael Burry's recent actions are a testament to this. Earlier this year, a single word from him, sell, sent ripples across the market, causing investors to second-guess their strategies. But then, in a surprising twist, he retracted, admitting his earlier stance might have been premature. These fluctuations aren't mere whims, they're reflective of the volatile nature of today's economic landscape. It begs the question, what is Burry observing that's causing such shifts in his perspective? Is he navigating the unpredictable tides, or is he foreseeing a larger, more complex pattern? While some might see inconsistency, others recognize the caution of a man who understands the gravity of his predictions. In this dance of bullish and bearish sentiments, Burry's moves are more than just financial plays. They're a narrative of an unfolding saga. On the surface, the financial landscape seems to be thriving. The S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100, two of the most prominent market indices, have been celebrating impressive gains, boasting rises of 16% and 38% respectively this year. To the casual observer, these numbers spell success, a testament to a robust economy. But Michael Burry, with his history of peering beyond the facade, suggests otherwise. He sees these surges not as signs of genuine growth, but as potential bubbles, inflated by transient factors and ready to burst. In a market often driven by perception, these indices can paint a deceptive picture of prosperity. But what if this growth is merely an illusion, a house of cards waiting for the slightest tremor to collapse? As Burry positions himself for a downturn, it's worth pondering, are we mistaking a mirage for an oasis? In the intricate chess game of finance, Michael Burry's recent moves have been nothing short of intriguing. A noticeable shift has been his retreat from certain strongholds, regional banks and Chinese giants. Burry's fund offloaded significant shares in regional banks, including First Republic Bank, Huntington Bank, PacWest, and Western Alliance. Simultaneously, he distanced himself from Chinese behemoths like JD.com and Alibaba. These aren't arbitrary decisions. They hint at Burry's anticipation of seismic shifts in the global financial landscape. Is he foreseeing vulnerabilities in the banking sector? Or perhaps he's wary of the geopolitical tensions and regulatory changes affecting Chinese enterprises. This exodus paints a picture of a strategist preparing for potential upheavals. In a world where every financial move is a calculated risk, Burry's retreat from these sectors suggests he's bracing for changes that many might not see coming. Amidst the shadows of his bearish predictions, Michael Burry's portfolio reveals glimmers of optimism. While he's largely cautious, there are sectors and companies where he's placing hopeful bets. The travel and healthcare industries have caught his attention, with investments in Expedia Group, MGM Resorts, CVS, and Cigna. These choices suggest Burry sees resilience and potential in industries that cater to fundamental human needs and desires. Additionally, his investments in Warner Bros. Discovery and The Real indicate a belief in the enduring power of entertainment and the growing appeal of sustainable luxury. These silver linings in his portfolio are not just about diversification. They're a testament to Burry's ability to find pockets of hope in a landscape he largely views with skepticism. Even in his cautionary narrative, Burry reminds us that opportunities persist, even in the most challenging times. Michael Burry's name is etched in the annals of financial history, not just as a successful investor, but as a visionary who dared to challenge the status quo. His audacious bet against the housing market before the 2008 crash wasn't just a gamble. It was a profound statement against the herd mentality that often blinds Wall Street. This audacity stemmed from a deep understanding of market intricacies and a willingness to swim against the tide when everyone else was flowing with it.
How big's your short position right now?
Just the 1.3 billion.
Chronicled in The Big Short, his journey from being an outlier to a prophet showcased his unwavering commitment to data and instinct, even in the face of widespread skepticism. His story is a testament to the power of conviction, analytical rigor, and the courage to stand alone. It's a reminder that true visionaries often face doubt before they're recognized for their foresight. With a staggering 56% annualized return over the past 3 years, compared to the S&P 500's 12%, Burry's legacy is one of foresight, tenacity, and an uncanny ability to see beyond market facades. His achievements are not just about numbers, but about challenging prevailing narratives and reshaping the way we think about finance. Burry's insights aren't mere opinions. They're the culmination of a storied financial acumen, built over years of meticulous research, observation, and experience. In a world filled with noise, his voice remains a clarion call for those seeking clarity and direction. As the financial horizon grows uncertain, Michael Burry's insights offer a beacon, guiding us through turbulent times. In this ever-evolving financial landscape, staying informed is paramount. For more deep dives into the world of finance and to navigate the complexities of the market, ensure you're subscribed to our channel.